Welcome to IGS 10-minute lecture series. This series is brought by the IGS department. IGS stands for Integrated Global Studies. In this series, a professor from the department will give you a mini lecture about her or his research area.
Hi, my name is Tetsuro HOSAKA. My background is ecology. I have been working in tropical rainforests in Southeast Asia for more than 20 years. Today, I would like to introduce one of the most exciting phenomena there. Today's my talk is about lowland tropical rainforests in Southeast Asia, located in Peninsular Malaysia, Borneo, and Sumatra. In this region, humidity and temperature are high throughout the year without clear seasons. It is always just like summer in Japan. Under such suitable climate conditions for trees to grow, tropical rainforests have so many tree species. For example, more than 1,200 species were recorded in a 52-hectare research plot in Borneo, which is about the same as all the tree species in Japan. Also, there are very large trees in the forest. They are often more than 40 to 50 meters high, which is as high as a 15-story building. Therefore, observation of treetops is not easy. In my study site at Malaysia, we have a tower and walkway system to access up to 50 meters from the ground. By using these systems, we can observe flowers and fruits on the upper part of the trees. Here, I would like to give you a quiz. How often are these trees flowering in the forest? A. More than once a year because climate is always suitable. B. Once a year, just like temperate forests such as Japan. C. Less than once a year, flowering is so rare. Please choose your answer. Okay, the answer is C. Sakai and others monitored 257 tree species in Borneo, and they found that only 5% of them flowered more than once a year, and only 13% flowered once a year. The rest, 82% of them only flowered less than once a year, or did not flower at all over a 4-year observation period. So, flowering is actually rare in rainforests of Southeast Asia. This is not the case for tropical rainforests in South America and Africa, because most of the species flower once a year or even more. More interestingly, flowering of many species occur almost at the same time in these forests. So, the flowering is synchronized among many species, which is called general flowering. General flowering occurs irregularly with 2 to 10-year intervals. Such synchronization of irregular flowering and fruiting among many species is only known in rainforests in Southeast Asia. General flowering usually lasts about a half year, and during that period, we can see numerous flowers and fruits on the forest floor. These are the fruits that I collected in general flowering in 2014 in my study site, Pasol Forest in Malaysia. Those winged fruits of the family Diptocarpaceae are particularly abundant during general flowering, but other species such as wild durian and jackfruits and some bean species are also found in the forest. And not only flowers and fruits, but also animals using these fruits also increase during general flowering. For example, giant honeybee, a world's largest honeybee, increase in a forest during general flowering to collect the flower nectar. They make a number of large nests on the branch of tall trees, so local people can collect honey of the giant honeybees. Wild pigs and orangutans also increase by active migration and reproduction in response to general flowering. Local people can collect meat of increased wild pigs. And not only wild fruits but also commercial fruits such as durians seem to be productive during general flowering. So every time I visit Malaysia during general flowering, I can enjoy a variety of fruits a lot. General flowering is sometimes called a festival of forest. Then you may wonder, what's the cause of general flowering? Frankly speaking, we have no confirmed answer yet, but some hypotheses have been proposed. In ecology, we separate the causes into how and why. The cause related to how is called proximate cause, which is a trigger for general flowering. The hypothesis suggests that unusual low temperature, or drought, or accumulation of the resources in a tree body may trigger the general flowering. The cause related to why is called the ultimate cause, which is an evolutionary reason of general flowering. Hypothesis suggests that mass general flowering may promote pollination by attracting more pollinators, such as giant honeybees with abundant flowers. Or plants may predict canopy openings after severe drought, which is a good environment for seedlings of many species. One of the classic yet leading hypotheses is seed predator satiation, proposed by Jansen 1974. Seed predator means the animals that feed on and kill the seeds. Let me explain seed predator satiation hypothesis with this conceptual figure. If plants only flower in the period of general flowering, there is long non-flowering period. If plants, of course, if no flower, no fruits and no seeds, the density of seed predators will decline because they have little food. When general flowering suddenly occurs, seed predators cannot eat all seeds because their density is still low. As a result, many seeds can avoid seed predation and survivorship could be high. On the other hand, if plants have annual flowering, density of seed predators would be always high, and most of the seeds will be eaten by the predators. The seed predator satiation hypothesis explained that general flowering is a reproductive strategy of plants to avoid intensive seed predation by animals. I have been working on the questions, is this hypothesis true? And how can seed predators survive during a long non-fruiting period? Especially for insect predators on dipterocarp seeds. But I don't have enough time today to explain my researches in this 10-minute lecture, so I will talk about it in my class. If you have interest in tropical ecology, please enter IGS and take my class. I look forward to seeing you at IGS. Thank you very much.